Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Islamic Alta Vista Art and Drawing Learning Program. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today is video about sculpture work. With the help of sculpture technique, I will tell you how to make sculpture or plant pot. This is so easy. You can make it easily by yourself. So before to start, gather supplies. We need a construction putty or cement or plaster of Paris 1 cup, and need water, and we need piece of towel or any piece of fabric. First of all, take a separate bowl, add 1 cup construction putty in it and 1 cup of water in it. Mix it well with spoon. After that, take a twisted piece of towel or any fabric, fully dip in it. Dip it well. Now carefully pick it up and lay off on any tangible substance or any object. Immediately set it aside. Give some time, let it dry. It will get hard and solid. Then remove off substance from it. Carefully remove substance from it. Finally, we got an impressive plant pot. Put herbs or plants in it. You cannot do any color spray on it, but to get more impressive look. I hope you really like this video and you will try this at home. Keep it where you wanna display. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, whoever recites Surah Yasin once, Allah will record the reward of reciting the Quran 10 times.